Whenever I say something about peace, I normally quote the verses of the Holy Quran or the tradition of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, which are according to the teaching of the Holy Quran. This is how we can do it. You see, if we are giving the true teachings of Islam, explaining the true teaching of Islam, and it is being portrayed by your actions as well, then this stereotype Islam will be removed, and this is what we have been doing. This is why quite a number of non-Muslims appreciate our actions. They say that your teaching of Islam is quite different, not only in here in the UK, in South America, in North America, in Africa, in Asia, everywhere. One thing is common among all the Ahmadi Muslims, that we believe in the Holy Quran and the Sunnah, and we try to practice all these teachings. And this is why we are not joining the extremist groups. We are not violating the laws of the land. We are always humble, and we try to create peace in the society. So you will have to set your own example. Only teaching cannot do anything. There are quite a number of good teachings. Even all the religions have good teachings, but they are not being practiced.